Hi, today for the NAVITEL Top, and I'll show you how to change mute notification sound on this device. So first open the settings and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see ring and notification volume panel. To mute notifications you should slide to the left side this volume panel, but by this way you will mute your notifications and also the ringtones. And if you want to stay with the ringtones and just to mute only notifications, unmute this volume panel, then go to notification sound and switch your currently notification sound to none. Then just tap to OK, and that's it. By this way you'll mute your notifications, but you'll stay with the ringtones. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe.